Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. Have you ever talked about something and suddenly you start seeing ads about it on your Android phone? You might feel like your phone is listening to you or tracking everything you do. Well, the truth is, your Android phone does collect data like location, voice activity, and app uses, but the good news is you can control it. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to stop tracking, disable listening features, turn off personalized ads, and secure your Android privacy. So make sure you watch till the end because the last setting is very important and the most people ignore it. So let's get started. So firstly, open the settings app. Now scroll down and click on the Google. Click on all services. Scroll down and from here under the privacy and security, click on Personalize using shared data. Now, from here, you will see that location is probably turned on. This allows apps and services to track your real time position. So, you have two options. Option 1, turn off location completely, just toggle it off at the top. Option 2, control it smartly. If you don't want to turn it off fully, tap on location services and disable location history, location sharing, Google location accuracy, emergency location services. Then go back to the previous page and click on usage and diagnostics. Now turn it off. After this, go back to the previous page and click on ads. Now click on ads privacy and make sure everything is here switched off. Now go back to the previous page and click on reset advertising ID and click on confirm. Now click on delete advertising ID and delete advertising ID. Now Now go back to the main settings menu. From here, click on security and privacy. Scroll down and click on more privacy settings. Now click on Android system intelligence. Now click on keyboard and turn off the toggle. Now go back to the previous page and tap on clear data. Select all time and tap on clear data. And this is all to take care of all the Android level tracking. Now again open the settings app and search for device admin. Click on device admin apps. Now click on device admin apps again and make sure everything disabled here. Now go back to the home page. Now search for install unknown app. Click on it. From here you will see apps like Chrome, Gmail, Telegram, WhatsApp and many more. If any of these apps are marked as allowed, it means they can install apps from outside the Play Store. This can be risky because malicious APK files can get installed without your full awareness. Now tap on each app one by one and make sure allow from this source this turned off. Only keep it on temporarily if you are intentionally installing a trusted APK file. After installing, turn it off again immediately. This prevents hidden malware installations, background APK downloads, spy apps installation. Most people ignore these settings, but hackers often use this loophole. So always keep install unknown apps disabled unless absolutely necessary. So now let's talk about VPNs. So many people install free VPN apps thinking they are increasing privacy, but here's the truth. When you use a VPN, all your internet traffic goes through that VPN company server. If the VPN is not trusted, it can log your browsing activity, collect your data, show ads, even sell user data. So what should you do? For this, go to the settings and search for VPN, Tap on it, check if any unknown VPN is active. If you see a VPN you don't recognize, tap on it, select Forget VPN or remove it. Also, uninstall any random free VPN app you don't fully trust. If you really need a VPN, use a well known and trusted provider. Avoid unknown apps with very few reviewers. And never keep VPN running 24 into 7 unless necessary, because remember, a bad VPN is worse than no VPN. Now, it's time to bonus step. So, for this, go to the settings tab. Now scroll down and click on the apps option. Select any app. Now click on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and from here tap on the toggle against background data and unrestricted data. Now this prevents apps from sending data to server in the background. You can also remove apps you don't use anymore. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.